Hello again. If you love woodworking and decor, today's wood project ideas is going to inspire your mind. Today we will show you a collection of unique woodcrafting furniture and decorative items design ideas for modern interior decor, as well as for passive income. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's fast-paced world, where digital dominance often eclipses the tangible, woodworking has quietly emerged as a deeply satisfying counterbalance, a return to craftsmanship, to authenticity, and to creating beauty with one's own hands. Nowhere is this more evident than in the powerful resurgence of woodworking as a tool for both interior transformation and income generation. The crafting of unique furniture and decorative items from wood has become more than just a creative outlet. It is now a thriving intersection of artistry, modern design, and financial opportunity. As contemporary homes embrace minimalism, sustainability, and individuality, handcrafted wooden furniture and decor have found a distinct and lasting place in the design world. These pieces are not just functional, they are expressive. Whether it's a raw-edge coffee table that commands attention in a minimalist living room, or a delicately carved wall panel that softens a stark space, wood has the uncanny ability to inject both warmth and character into a modern aesthetic. What's more, these creations speak a visual language that resonates across cultures, one of resilience, grounding, and timeless appeal. The true power of woodworking lies in its dual impact, aesthetic and emotional. Unlike factory-produced furniture that often prioritizes efficiency over soul, handcrafted wooden pieces tell stories. They speak of hours spent measuring, cutting, sanding, finishing. They reflect the imperfections of nature, each grain, knot, and texture unique to the tree it came from. In modern interior decor, where clean lines and open spaces demand focal points that feel grounded, wood delivers the perfect balance of form and function. It fills a space with subtle elegance and organic integrity. These values, authenticity, sustainability, individuality, are exactly what modern homeowners are seeking. Mass-produced items may offer affordability, but they often lack the emotional resonance or durability that wooden pieces bring. That's why there's growing demand for unique wooden furniture and decorative accents. Floating shelves with live edges, one-of-a-kind lamp bases, geometric plant stands, reclaimed barnwood headboards. Each piece enhances not just the design of a space, but the experience of living in it. And here lies the significant opportunity. As more people seek unique, personalized, and sustainable home solutions, woodworkers are finding passive income potential in every creative curve, carved surface, and functional masterpiece they produce. The evolution of online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok has created a golden age for creative entrepreneurs. No longer is a craftsman limited to a local audience. Now, someone hand-carving decorative trays in a garage workshop can reach buyers across continents. This visibility has transformed woodworking from a humble hobby into a scalable side hustle or even a full-time business. The key difference between passive and active income in woodworking comes down to scalability through systems. While handcrafted pieces often require time and labor, many woodworkers have begun to create repeatable templates, kits, digital plans, or scalable small product lines. A set of downloadable blueprints for a DIY bench or coffee table, for example, can be sold repeatedly with little additional effort. Similarly, small decorative items like wooden coasters, minimalist shelves, or wall-mounted key holders can be batch-produced, stocked, and sold with automation handling the logistics. Do you love this decor idea? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. By leaning into design and efficiency, woodworkers can turn their passion into a passive income stream that complements their active builds. They can even collaborate with content creation, offering tutorials, showcasing time-lapse builds, and monetizing their knowledge through YouTube, blogs, or woodworking courses. Each product then becomes more than a physical item. It becomes an asset that continues to generate income long after it's been made. Another important layer to this journey is the sustainable ethos of woodworking in today's decor trends. As consumers grow more aware of their environmental impact, demand is increasing for furniture made from reclaimed wood, sustainably harvested timber, and waste-free practices. Wooden items made with intention, upcycled from pallets, repurposed from old beams, or shaped from storm-felled trees, hold special value. They not only serve as beautiful decor, but also reflect a conscious lifestyle. This ethical approach enhances the story behind each product and, in turn, increases its appeal and marketability. For homeowners, incorporating handcrafted wooden items into a space is not merely a design choice, it's a personal statement. It reflects a preference for craftsmanship over mass production, a connection to natural elements, and a desire to invest in quality over quantity. For woodworkers, this means the demand is not only strong, but it's also emotionally driven. Buyers aren't just purchasing a product, they're investing in meaning. That depth of connection becomes even more powerful in custom furniture and decor commissions. Whether it's a custom-built desk that fits a specific corner of a studio apartment or a wall art piece that incorporates a family's heirloom wood, the possibilities for personalization create deep relationships between maker and client. And those relationships, built on trust and artistry, often lead to referrals, repeat business, and word-of-mouth growth, fueling both creative fulfillment and financial security. In terms of design trends, wood continues to be a major player in every major interior style. In minimalism, it provides the warmth that softens stark geometry. In industrial spaces, it balances metal and concrete with natural tones. In Bohemian or Scandinavian interiors, it forms the very foundation of aesthetic harmony. Decorative wood pieces, whether large or small, offer adaptability unmatched by synthetic alternatives. Moreover, the psychological impact of working with and living among wooden items cannot be understated. For woodworkers, there is profound joy and healing in the act of creating something functional and beautiful from raw materials. It offers a therapeutic rhythm, a sense of progress, and a tangible reward. For the end user, wooden pieces foster calm, presence, and a subtle connection to nature, especially in urban environments where natural touchpoints are limited. As we look to the future of both decor and digital entrepreneurship, woodworking continues to stand strong at the crossroads of tradition and innovation. Whether through bespoke statement furniture, simple wall art, or downloadable project plans, the possibilities for generating passive income from unique woodcrafts are not just viable, they are expansive. Woodworking's role in crafting unique furniture and decorative items goes far beyond design. It taps into something timeless. It brings a home to life with texture, soul, and intention. And for the modern woodworker, it also opens a door to financial independence, passive income, and creative legacy. Whether you're shaping a single shelf or building a brand, woodworking remains one of the most profound ways to leave an impact on a space, on a client, and on your own life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique woodcrafting furniture and decorative items design ideas for modern interior decor, as well as for passive income. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.